Hello everyone, welcome to SR Technicals. In this video, I would show you how to connect Samsung Smart TV with laptop. I would show you two ways, one with HDMI cable and the other wirelessly. First, connect HDMI cable with PC and change the source of TV to PC. HDMI is a better option if you want to play games as your game won't lag. Here I am playing a game seamlessly. Although it is not easy to play a game using gamepad with one hand and control the camera with the other one. Now I will screen mirror my HP laptop wirelessly. First click on the notification icon on taskbar, then click on connect. Your Samsung Smart TV will be shown as an available device, click on that. Now your TV will be connected to the laptop. Let me play a video of Friends. You can see there is a time difference in video playback, but it won't create any problem. Just you can't play games wirelessly. Comment below for any help, and don't forget to like and subscribe to SR Technical.
Hi, Ross.
I'm Ross.
Take the Emily.
Take thee, Rachel.